Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television, and I am joined today by
Chris.
And we're going to be talking about a Code 3 product. It is actually the Code 3 MultiColor SuperVisor interior light bar, model number SV77MC. A lot of numbers, but a great product.
It is indeed.
So tell us about it, Chris.
It is Code 3's interior light bar, utilizing the Torus LED technology that they have. It is a multicolor product in that it allows you to have bright warning colors and a white illumination.
Now the unit itself, if you hold it up here, you can actually see there's a total of 18 diodes running across the actual model housing. Module,
you got it. And
always get my modules mixed up.
And with that, it is 9 diodes for each color. So with that, each module happens to be a multicolor or duo module. So nice and bright for each color.
So again, this is of course multicolor version.
Indeed.
You can have it as a solo.
You can if you would like to.
Okay, but personally, I think that with the way the market is going today, the need to have a solo or monocolor light really is not that relevant when you're looking at the cost comparison between the duo and the solo versions. And as time goes by, undoubtedly trios will become in the same league as well. It's still a bit on the high side, but definitely this particular model as a duo is definitely something worth taking a look at. So as Chris said, it is red and blue with white steady burning.
It is indeed.
Now it's designed for a particular type of vehicle because obviously this is a full-size interior light bar.
It is. With that, it is vehicle specific for the top law enforcement and safety vehicles. So with that, it is custom fit for the Chevy Caprice, the Impala, the Tahoe. It works in the Dodge Chargers, and it is also available for the Ford police package vehicles. So with that, the Sedan and the SUV, the Interceptor and Interceptor Utility.
Now it has a control box.
It does indeed. So with that, you have a conventional wiring harness exiting from the SuperVisor MC fixture itself. That will connect into Code 3's SuperVisor control box. So this is the module that gives the brains of the operation and tells this unit how to function. What's neat with this is it can interface not only with Code 3's siren and lighting control systems, the Z3 in particular, it interfaces with very nicely, but also with having quick connects and multiple trigger wires for tying this in with other control systems, it will work just fine.
Comes with mounting hardware?
It does indeed. Thanks for mentioning that. Depending on the vehicle that you select when ordering, it will come with mounting hardware that's appropriate for the vehicle itself. It's going to come with 4 mounting pieces of hardware, and with that, these will affix onto the vehicle's headliner in the sun visor mounting points. Also comes with a bit of hardware, nuts, bolts, and lock washers that work in affixing the SuperVisor to the mounting hardware, and in turn comes with connectors for going ahead and getting you started with connecting the harnesses to the control box.
So we're going to go turn it on right now, and you get a chance to see what the red, white, and blue SuperVisor looks like. And as Chris gets all the electrical side together, and I stand back because it's usually safe to do that. Actually, it's 12 volts, it's fine. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on.
The unit, if you are interested for your application, offers a nice soft cruise glow. Happens to be quite popular in Hawaii, if I remember correctly.
Yes, but they actually run all blue.
As you can see, nice and bright, great output from the 9 diodes of the warning colors here, using the Torus technology and the reflector assemblies here.
A little bit of useless trivia. Hawaii is the only state in the United States that has a foreign flag in its flag.
With that, as you can see, I've now gone ahead and activated what Code 3 calls the scene illumination mode. So with that, all the modules are now in an override to white. This function can be used standalone, or if you have the unit on and flashing away as needed, you can go ahead, take that trigger wire, apply it to positive 12 volts, and it will override the warning mode. If you are not needing the SuperVisor to go full white for you, it does have a conventional takedown function, And also with that, in case you're wondering, you do have the ability to have it set where the two colors will work with each other in a flashing mode. Also with that, you can then go ahead, activate your takedowns as needed, and again, activate your scene override illumination. So with that, the SuperVisor MC can be configured to any preference and any function that you need it to do for you for your application.
How many flash patterns do you have?
It has 12 patterns, but with that, depending on how you have this set up, doing a single color flash or mixing the two together, you can then break and do more sequencing. So when you have a solid color going, you can go through and adjust from 12 patterns total. When you're mixing the two colors together, it's going to go ahead and advance you into a total of 24 because that allows you to have more manipulation between the two color sequencing.
So again, a very large selection of flash patterns are available with this particular product. It is a great product. It's available here on SIRENNET, and of course all the tech specs are on the website, so you can go ahead and check those out as well, along with a range of some very nice high definition photographs as well. Shout out to the photographic section here at SIRENNET Television. Great product, yes?
It is indeed. So take a look, see if it'll work for your application. Go ahead, select the colors that'll work for you. Again, wonderful product from our friends at Code 3.
And it is the Code 3 MultiColor SuperVisor interior light bar, model number SV77MC. I'm Stuart.
I'm Chris.
You've been watching SIRENNET Television, and again, thank you for watching.